Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset Samsung Edge S6 Edge and remove FRP. You first open the FRP tool. If you want the tool, the link is in the description if you'd like to download it. You can see, you connect the phone. You first press *#0* to enable it. Then you factory reset. You can see the progress bar and showing how it's doing it. Then you wait for it to format. See, it's done now with formatting. Then what you do, you enable the phone again. Click on emergency call *0*#. Here you're enabling ADB command. When you see this interface, you put in the USB, then open the tool again and click on remove FRP. You can see it's formatting. Removing FRP now. We wait for it for the tool to finish. You can see FRP removed successfully. Congratulations. So that's how you can do it, guys. Thank you. Please try to subscribe to this channel and like video.